Braocoon.
Let's unfold the weather and seasons of the year. Have you ever wondered why some days are sunny and others rainy? Or why it's warm in summer but cold in winter? Well, get ready as we find out together.
What is weather?
Weather is what's happening in the atmosphere at any given time. It includes rain, sunshine, wind, snow, and so much more. Weather changes day by day and even hour by hour. But what makes these changes happen? It's all about the air around us.
How about the sun?
The sun is at the heart of all weather. The sun warms our planet, heating the land, the oceans, and the air. But it doesn't do it evenly. Some places get more sun, while others get less. This difference creates what we call temperature, and it is why some places are hotter and others cooler. Let's dive into the various seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year, namely spring, summer, fall, and winter. But why do we have seasons? It's all because our Earth is tilted on its axis and orbits, or travels around the sun. This just depends on where Earth is on its journey. Different parts get more sunlight or less sunlight. This changes creates our seasons. In summer, we get lots of sunlight, making it warm, while in winter we get less sunlight, making it extremely cold. Spring and fall are in-between times when the weather starts to change. Can we dive deeper into what each season is all about?
Yes. What is spring?
Spring is a time of renewal. Imagine the world as a giant garden that's been sleeping under a blanket of snow all winter. When spring comes, the sun starts to shine more warmly, telling all the flowers, trees, and animals that it's time to wake up and grow. And not forgetting, spring also melts snow away and brings more rain, which helps the plants to grow and makes everything look so fresh and bright. Trees that looked bare and sleepy suddenly get covered in fresh and green leaves. Animals that were hiding away from the cold, like bunnies and birds, come out to play and look for food. It is a season full of new beginnings, where everything in nature comes back to life, grows, and gets ready for the sunny days of summer.
How about the summer seasons?
Summer is the warmest season of the year. It is full of sunshine, long days and time to play outside. During summer, schools are usually out, so kids have more time for fun activities like swimming, going to the beach, having picnics, and exploring outdoors. And for the fun part, it is when you can eat lots of ice cream to cool down and enjoy vacations or camping trips with your family.
Yay!
In the summer season, trees and plants are full of green leaves, and the gardens are bursting with fruits and vegetables. It's also when you'll see lots of different animals and insects buzzing around, enjoying the sunny days just like us. Summer is a time for adventures, making memories with friends and family, and enjoying the great outdoors under the big blue sky.
Whoa! What about the fall season?
Fall is also called autumn. It brings cooler weather and leaves changing color. It's a time of harvest. Imagine the trees deciding to change their green leaves into amazing colors like red, orange, yellow, and brown before they fall off and create a crunchy carpet on the ground. During fall, the air starts to get cooler, and you might need a cozy sweater in the mornings and evenings. It is the period when you go back to school, start new classes, and see your friends again after a great summer break. And not forgetting friends. Fall is also when farmers harvest their crops, gathering fruits and vegetables like apples, pumpkins, and corn. It's a season for enjoying warm drinks like hot cocoa or apple cider, and watching the squirrels busily collecting nuts for the winter. Fall is nature's gentle reminder to enjoy the cozy moments and get ready for the colder days ahead. Then finally comes our winter season friends. Winter wraps us in a chilly blanket, with snow in many places and shorter days. It is like nature's quiet time, when everything outside seems to take a deep breath and rest. It's the coldest season, so we wear warm clothes like jackets, hats, scarves, and gloves to keep cozy. During winter, the days are shorter, which means it gets dark earlier, and we have more nighttime. It's when some animals, like bears, go into a deep sleep called hibernation because it's too cold to find food. Winter is also a magical time because of the snow. We can build snowmen, have snowball fights, make snow angels, and go sledding down hills. Even though not all places get snow, winter is still a special season everywhere. And finally, winter is a season for warm drinks like hot chocolate and fun holidays where families come together to celebrate and share joyful Christmas moments. Winter might seem quiet and still, but it's full of its own kind of adventures and beauty, like the sparkle of icicles and the peacefulness of a snowy day.
Wow. This is so interesting. I love it.
I'm so happy you love it. But have you ever wondered how we know if it'll rain or be sunny tomorrow? Through meteorologists, we can be able to predict the weather. Meteorologists are weather scientists who study the atmosphere. They use tools like thermometers for temperature, barometers for air pressure, and radars to track storms. This helps them to predict the weather. Remember, each day brings something new. A cloud, a breeze, or a snowflake. And each season paints the year with its colors and stories. Thank you for joining me today. Keep in mind, there's so much more to discover. So keep exploring, asking questions, and staying curious. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more fun educational content. Until next time, keep looking up.